my friend, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can offer discounts to customers in your Squarespace store.
Woohoo! Big summer blowout!
Okay, this one is nice and quick. You will need a Squarespace store. If you don't have one, you will require a business plan or hire in order to add a store to your website. Assuming you've done that, hit Commerce, go to Discounts, click this big plus icon, and here we can add a new discount. So we're going to give it a name. This is going to be shown to customers, so make it something relevant. We'll just call it flash sale. You can then choose the trigger. So do they have to enter a discount code in order for it to be applied, or is this an automatic discount that applies throughout the store, and maybe you have a scrolling block that shows, okay, everything is 25% off. We'll go with discount code for now, and I'll just put sale 10. You can generate any code by clicking here, or you can give it something that's really easy for people to remember and put in, like sale 10. And then you can choose how much people are getting off. Are they getting a percentage off? Are they getting an amount off? Or is this like a free shipping offer? So we're going to do percent off, and I'm going to do 10%. Then we can decide where it applies. Does this apply to any order? Is it a single product, or is it a product by category? So I could offer maybe 50% off or 10% off of website templates, but everything else in my store stays the same. If you have member areas, you can also apply it to that, or you can do it if a user spends a certain amount, they'll get a discount. This is a really common one. So you can choose whatever you want there. I'm going to put any order for now. And then if you have an advanced commerce plan, you will be able to control how many times this discount can be used. Sometimes you only want to offer it once per customer. And so if you have an advanced commerce plan, you will be able to select unlimited or just use once. And then again, you can limit it to one per customer. And you can also limit subscriptions. So if you're offering any kind of subscription through members area, you can control that too. Again, you will need an advanced commerce plan to do this. You can then give your discount a start date and an end date, or you can select it to never expire. So you can choose whatever you want there, and then when you're done, you just hit done and save. Now let's look at how it works. If I go into my store, I'm going to choose this branding guide, add to cart, click my cart, checkout. I'll add my email, hit continue, and then you can either add the discount code here or over here on the right. So I'm going to add it here on the right. Hit apply. And as you can see, 10% is now taken off my order. Really easy to set up and a great promotional tool, especially during sales launches. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. And as for your next video, if you like this one, there's a good chance you'll also like this one.